Hey, what's up guys, this is Jorge from SmartBSD Tech Review, and today we are going to be talking about how to replace the speakers on this Inspiron 7400 laptop. And the first thing we have to do is to remove these 8 screws. Now let me just go ahead and get one of my metal spudgers and open the cover. Now that we have removed the cover, it's time to remove the battery in order to replace the new set of speakers. In case you're wondering, I got mine from eBay and this is the part number. And finally, we have to remove the battery. And there's 2 screws we need to remove. One is in here, and the other one is down here. Just 2 screws. Then just pull this cable up, and you should be able to remove the speakers. Now with the old speaker off, let's put the new speakers in the laptop. As you can see, the procedure was really easy. Just put the battery and the back cover in place and we are ready to go. We have replaced the speakers. If you find this video useful to you, give it a like and subscribe to YouTube channel so you don't miss our next video. Catch you guys in the next one.